How to make money as a record label part 4. And this one has to deal with getting your music synced in television and film. I'm not really getting on the advertisement here, but television and film, hear me out. This attaches your music to scenes in television and film programming that creates new emotional attachments to the song. It gives you a nice check depending on the network, and it extends the life of your catalog. And what this essentially does is it stamps your music into the time period based on when it was synced, right? And usually most music is synced around its release time or somewhere within 18 to 24 months of when it was released, no more than 5 years, and it stamps your music in the time period that is existing right now, so people will just keep watching it and becomes a retro thing over and over and over again. You will still survive as a record company even if you don't get this for your music, okay? There are other means to survive. This is not the only one, but when you do, you get more money, more power, and more respect, because that's how we beat in the house. But remember, what this does is it stamps your music in a time frame. It gives it a retro vibe, if you will. It gives you a nice check depending on the network, and it extends the life of your catalog. So if you make music, you should make money. So follow for more music business tips. Visit musicmoneymakeover.com.